Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to my motivated space. I wanted to put this video together based on a photo shoot I did with Andy Aristo. Came across this cool building. It's called the Phoenix. It's in Chippendale, the Central Park development, and just thought it'd be a cool spot to get some photos. So yeah, check it out. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whatever it is. We are, well, I am at the moment down in Chippendale, Central Park. I found this building on design.com, one of their articles, and thought it'd be a pretty cool backdrop to do a bit of a shoot. Shooting with Andy. I'll introduce you when I find him. But yeah, cool dude, great photographer. And we have a couple cars coming today, so yeah, keen to show you a bit of that. It's like literally like a minute away, yeah.
Come on, man, we can do fucking 6 points out in there. I guess I'll
So there you have it. That's my collaboration I did with Andy. It was freaking awesome because we were able to bounce ideas off each other. We pushed our limits. We got to photograph 2 cars. It started with the idea of shooting in front of the Phoenix building, and it just developed from there. We found alleyways, we found other roads, we panned and just maximized that area. And you know, on top of that, it was a lot of fun and awesome to share that. So thanks again for watching. Very much appreciated. All the best and see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.